has your life changed and how are you handling the sudden surge of Big Brother fame? Who wants to go first? Princess. Nakita si Ashley sa Princess.
Well, siguro nothing changed. Wala naman masyadong nagbago. I mean, I'm still me. But, ayun na nga, siguro mas marami lang nakakakilala na sa kanya. And mas maraming supporters, which I'm very grateful for. Pero, ayun na nga, tungkol naman doon sa Big Brother fame na nakuha namin from PBB. Well, palagi din naman akong pinapaalalahanan ng family ko to always be humble and to always be appreciative of what I have. So, ayun, wala naman nagbago. I'm still me.
Still the princess that you are. Yan, tama. Remain humble and grateful. How about you, Ashley?
Ako naman po, kita ko po na grabe po talaga yung nadagdag po na supporters and fans po talaga. So, paglabas ko po ng bahay, punong-puno po agad ako ng pagmamahal mula po sa mga kaibigan ko, sa family ko, and of course po, dun po sa mga fans ko. And nakakatuwa po na ganun po yung naging impact ko po sa kanila and how I'm handling po the Big Brother fame ko right now. Siyempre po, mas malaking responsibility po as a role model na rin. And dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence and impact po namin sa mga nakatutok po sa amin, sa mga nanonood po sa amin. Gusto ko po talaga ngayon na mas mag-improve po to become better dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence po namin. So yun po talaga yung goal ko ngayon, to make good use po of what I have right now.
It's actually great. Like they say, with great power comes with great responsibility. So keep on inspiring the young people out there, Ashley. Now, for Heath, this is actually an interesting question. So, shifting culture and fan bases for PBB are incredibly intense. So how do you feel about the love teams or pairings that fans have already created for you online?
Ayun po. Siyempre po nakagulat po and it was really unexpected po kasi nasa loob ng bahay po ni Kuya, we had no idea po. Pero ayun po, nakakatuwa po na nakikita yung mga ganun po and yung support po nila sa akin. And really, it makes us happy pa rin po.
No wonder kapag ka talaga sa maraming love teams because you are another Kapuso heartthrob in the making. Yes, let's give it up for Heath, everybody. And that's it from Iza Iglesias of Manila Times. Now let's move on from pep.ph. This is actually for Marco.